Yeah. Absolutely should not get to do that. Or said that absolutely should not get to do that. Oop. That's it. Yeah. $10 years is a long time though. 10-year probation's a minute though. You know, when you're on probation, that limits everything you can do. If he gets a year and then he doesn't have to do probation, then he's in and out, you know, and he's back on. Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. Going out to Hawaii and harassing your people out there. I guess that gives him no right to it once he's in jail, huh? Not really thinking about that, huh, though? That's not the point. Well, yeah, sure he doesn't. So he has a lawyer then, huh? Oh, well, I mean, yeah, you got to understand, like, the less they got to deal with you, the more stuff they don't have to do. So you're just one more thing that they got to deal with, you know? They do this all the time. You're not special to them. They're just another fucking thing. We're busy. Yeah. So someone who's not even on the island, you know, it's just a, you know, let's get rid of that one. But once they realize they can't talk you out of it, they're gonna have to do it, you know. Yeah. So now you can serve them, huh? Well, you've already served them, huh? Did you find out what for? Oh yeah? I'd like to see that. No, I'm serious. I understand lawyers stuff pretty well. At least I can, like I said, I've paid for enough lawyers, I know.